In this week's video, I'm going to be building and adding some cable hangers onto my welding cart. Now, I have no idea why I didn't do this when I first built the thing. I had all the materials to do so. It must have just slipped my mind. The reason I did this is because I was getting a little tired of just having my cables all over the floor where they can be tripped on and possibly damaged. Heck, I was even hanging my TIG torch up on the pegboard and the gas hose wasn't even long enough to stretch up there. I'm just going to be using some scrap 1-inch square tubing with an 1/8 inch wall thickness left over from previous projects. All I have to do is measure out and cut this piece of tubing into 4 3-inch sections, clean them up, and we're going to TIG weld everything together. Let's get her done. Alright, a few poorly done TIG welds later, and we're done. Now, I did try and weld up the sides, but the top of the cart, the little top plate, got in the way of my filler metal, so I welded up one side, took one look at the weld, and decided, yeah, no, that's not happening. The top and the bottom will be just fine for my purposes. I know you guys might crucify me a little bit for not capping the ends of the tubing or painting the thing, but in my defense, it's too cold for paint where I live currently, and for what it is, I just didn't really care enough to cap the ends of the tubing. I will probably take a flap disc to all the sharp corners and round the edges off a little bit more just so I don't nick a cable on anything. But that was it, a really quick, simple project that I think everybody should add to their welding cart from the start, not have to add a year or so later. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please consider leaving a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's all from me. I'll see you guys next week.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a